Okay, foodies, so here we are. I just cut some ciabatta bread on here so we can brown that up because in a minute I'm gonna put our patties on. But before I do that, I've got a tomato. Let me show you an easy way to take the core out and slice the tomato because you know we're making these beautiful turkey patties that we're gonna put on the bread and we're gonna put some tzatziki sauce and we're gonna put whether you could put mayo, you could put ketchup, you could put whatever you want. It's like a burger. So what we do is we take our knife and we're gonna cut the core out. Just cut in, just like that, come all the way around, cut on an angle, and look at this magic. Out comes the core. Now he's gone. So then take a serrated knife, okay, and we're gonna slice this tomato real thin so we can put it in just like this, real thin. It's coming thin, 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 thin. Just be careful of your fingers. And there we go. Okay.
Now, can I see through this tomato?
Well, you can, sure, there. Nice thin pieces. All right, so let's get these over here out of our way for a minute, all this tomato. And then what we're going to do is get our patties on there. I might have to move one of the breads out of the way, but that's okay. Let me get, Anthony will give you a close-up. Look how nice the squash is coming. He's grilling up just beautifully today. The squash is grilling beautifully. Okay, so over here I have 2 balls, which what we're gonna do is we are gonna...
I can't get it, you're moving a little...
There we go. 2, I have the meat balls, which I'm gonna press down as a smashed turkey burger, okay? With tzatziki sauce today, all right? So what I'm gonna do is just sort of kind of, oh, he's already.
So you got your balls sitting there waiting.
We'll just set these breads right here. And then what I'm gonna do is just move one over here out of the way, and then I'm gonna smash it right on this plate, which is the easy way to do it. We're just gonna smash this just down like this. Okay, there we go. And then onto our grill we go, and let's smash the other one. I think I need just a little bit of
Smash, smash burger.
smash, smash burger. Okay, here we go. There we are. Okay.
People seem to love these smash burgers.
All right, so there, and I can press them down a little more with my hand. There we go. Okay, so now we got those going. And I'm going to put just a little bit of salt on them. Just a little bit of salt. Here's my salt. Okay, here we go. Just a little salt. Like that. And I think because we're making Greek tzatziki, we can use as a sauce on the side with a little bit of oregano. There we go. And you know, while we're doing that, our burgers are going, our bread's over here. Oh, he's starting to get good. So what we're gonna do is let the burgers go a little bit, then I'll spread the, see, he's starting to go, and then I'm gonna spread our ciabatta back out so that it can get the rest of the way browned. All right, so then I'm gonna turn these over. Let's just turn them over. Oh, how nice these are. Beautifully done, everybody. These are absolutely gorgeous. Beautifully done. And I think what I'm gonna do with these is keep them on warm because they're about right. And there we flip them over again. Look at that. And remember, all I did was season them with a little salt, a little lemon pepper, put a little Italian seasoning. I gave it some...
The garlic?
A little bit of the garlic, and that's it. And there we go. So these will sit right here, and I'm going to put this temperature on this all the way down so they'll stay warm.
So it's kind of caramelizing a bit.
Yeah, look how beautiful those are there. Absolutely beautiful. And they're cooked perfectly, perfectly. Okay, so there we go. So let's do this. Let's get our plates over here because we need to keep a lookout here on our burgers. Let me take a look and make sure we're getting our... Oh yeah, we're getting there. Let's let these go a little more here. All right. Let these take their time. So there we have it. When we come back, I'm going to show you how we plate everything, and we'll have the rest of our ciabatta all scored up from the grill, and we will sit down and eat. So this is Peter Carpizzos thanking you all. We'll be back. Out.